Meet the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. With its cute, smiling face and feathery gills, it's one of the most unique creatures on the planet. But don't let that adorable grin fool you. This little amphibian is practically a superhero. It can regenerate almost anything, limbs, tail, even parts of its heart and brain. Scientists study axolotls to unlock the secrets of tissue regeneration. No wonder they're super popular as exotic pets. But remember, they need proper care and cool, clean water to stay happy and healthy. So what do you think? Is this adorable, self-healing walking fish your new favorite animal? Let us know in the comments. Follow for more amazing animal facts.